Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change icon style on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, tap on themes, and over here click on the top right corner on the loop. Type whatever you want to, for example flowers, and select icons over here. Now pick the ones that you like the best. I will go with these ones, I have to tap on them and choose download. Then apply and apply again. As you can see, style of my icons has changed, but if you wish to go back into the system once, you can always go into the same settings, choose themes and click at the three lines at the top left corner. Now select my stuff, click on icons and tap on default ones. Lastly, select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!